Hello everybody, I am Tadashi Mori. 2022 is almost there and this year was great, especially because I'm finally back to my channel and you guys didn't give up on me, so yeah, I'm happy. And this week I was trying to create a new origami. I was trying to create a new modular origami rose and my goal was to make something easy and awesome. Could I make it? No. It's not exactly easy, but it's not intermediate, so it's easy-ish. Anyway, this is the origami. No, I'm kidding. This was actually my first attempt. After about 10 other attempts, I got this one here. Anyway, it uses 5 red sheets of paper for the rose and 1 green for the calyx. And it's easier to make than the pentagon rose. And if you compare both, you will see that they are very similar from the sides, but they are completely different from the top. I am preparing the tutorial and soon I will release for the channel members. For everyone else, I will release another one on January 7th. So let's make a vote. Just type CC for the chunky cat on the comments or DB for the dead body. And there's an important lesson I learned here. But I forgot. I'm kidding. And the lesson is just fold it. Yeah, I use it to fold origami to concentrate at school. I fold origami to relax. I folded origami to flirt. And you look sexy when you give origami to someone. But seriously, one thing that I say in my videos is be kind to the others and to yourself. And this is actually something that I learned on practice. So I keep reminding me to be kind to myself. The reason is that I overworked in my previous jobs and sometimes I worked for over 80 hours a week. I gave my all and when I got anxiety crisis, some people around me was making me feel like I was just not trying hard enough. When I made the live streaming here on my channel, I can't even describe the feeling I had at that moment. And I noticed that I was making decisions based on what was important to the others and I left behind something that was really important to me. So I decided to be kind to myself, get back to the channel and let my wife pay my bills.
Que foi?
No, tô brincando. And one last update, my next live streaming will be on January 8th at 12 o'clock EST or at 5 p.m. GMT. That's all for this week. Thanks a lot for staying with me in this journey and Happy New Year. See you. Bye bye.